would we be without them? How would we know what bus to take or what time it is? People have been using different kinds of numbers, like these Roman numerals, for thousands of years, until the numbers we use today were invented and then learned by the whole world. We know they were first invented in India, but we don't know by whom. Well, I think whoever it was had a great deal of counting to do. Like Poros, an Indian scribe, and his daughter, Rani.
This is going to be a big job, Rani. Asoka is a very rich man and has many things he wants me to count. I hope he understands my new numbers and the names I've given them.
Of course he will, Father. They are so easy. This is 6, this is 7, this is 8. Oh.
There is a great deal of counting to be done here.
Ah, you must be the new scribe. I am Lord Asoka.
My name is Poros, and this is my daughter, Rani.
Well, Poros, are you ready to do some counting? Good, good. Here, let me show you.
Before we begin, Lord Asoka, I'd like to show you my new method of counting. I call them numbers.
Look, Father, 2 elephant statues.
Two? Poros, your child is babbling.
What she means is the number 2. It is a number from my new way of counting.
I will show you how I want things to be counted. Follow me. Every apple in my orchard is to be counted. And for every apple, put a stone in the pot.
I see, but I think you'll agree that my numbers are much easier and
I have no time for that. Now, on to the goldfish. Now, for every fish, put a seashell on the platter.
Lord Asoka, if you would just take a look at my numbers, you will see.
Very well. Let me see. Yes. These are chicken tracks, which brings us to your next counting assignment. For every chicken, tie a knot in the string. No. Don't show me any more of your scribbles. I am a busy man and have no time to learn such nonsense.
Oh, but Asoka, sir, Father's numbers are very easy to learn. It will not take long at all.
This is how I've always counted things. How my father counted. How my father's father counted. These are the estate records dating back to my father's 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 father.
But with my new numbers, I can fit all of what's in your barn into this little book.
Rene, your father is babbling. Begin counting, then join me at the house for tea, where I will show you more things to count. I have many things to do. I have to have my nap. I have to practice my juggling. I have to file my nails.
Well, if Lord Asoka is too busy to learn my numbers, then I'll just have to do it the old-fashioned way. 1 chicken, 1 knot. 2 chickens, 1 more knot. 3 chickens, another knot. Did I count you?
Count the chickens to this side, please. This side.
Poros, are you counting chickens or are they counting you?
15, 16, 17.
This is going to be harder than all those chickens. Unless...
I said count the fish, not swim with them.
At least this is easier than counting chickens or fish.
64, 65, 66.
Still, this pot is awfully heavy.
Poros, I said count the apples, not pick them.
88, 89, 90.
Rennie, this is the last tree. Why don't you run up to the house and see about the tea? All this counting has made me very thirsty.
What are you doing?
These are my tops. Here, I'll show you how to play. We each take our tops and...
Why do you get 4 tops and I only get 3?
4, 3? You're babbling again, dear.
It's not babbling. It's numbers. See? This is one top. Now there are two tops. Then three, now four.
Most interesting. And you can really use these numbers to count all my chickens, my fish, my apples?
Yes! See? You have 28 chickens. That's a 2 and an 8, which if you use your fingers is like...
I am sorry, Lord Ahsoka. I'll just get these goldfish seashells separate from the upper stones and...
Bother me no longer with such clumsy counting methods. I know I have 28 chickens, 35 goldfish, and 90 apples. Rennie has just taught me your new numbers. Poros, you are a genius.
Someday the whole world will use your numbers, Father.
And now for tea. We'll have 3 teas, please.
You mean this many? Poros numbers are so easy to learn, the whole world knows them. And if you don't, you can learn them, just like Ahsoka did. Ah, there. Oh, I think I prefer to be a number 1.